Hi guys, welcome to Mel's 4K Pacific Northwest. My birthday's coming up soon and my wife bought me the Freedom Factory bundle for their building of their new track, and I thought I'd do an unboxing while I'm here. So welcome everybody. Coming from Cleetus there. She said she ordered this pretty early, and I heard that they were out of backpacks. So hopefully we have one in here. What do we have here? All right. Big thank you to my wife Mel, of course. She loves me so much she ordered this within the first few minutes, I hope. We'll see if that blue bag is in there. If it is, fantastic. Oh, what's this? Hell yeah, brother, you're the proud owner of a Freedom Factory asphalt. Signed by James and Cleetus, of course. I got the black Freedom Factory construction shirt. Extra large. What else do we have in here? What in the world? There's a blue bag in here. There it is, nice blue on black Cleetus. Hell yeah, brother. That's gonna do it for what's inside this bag. We'll get rid of that. And inside our little knapsack for the reveal. It's like we have a mullet. Everyone that knows me knows that I have very long hair, so this is fantastic. I had a mullet like this 1990, and I was pretty proud of it, so thank you. And asphalt. This is my part of the track here that they chewed up for us. Smells so good. I wish you guys were here to smell this. Straight from Florida. It's got kind of an oily smell to it, if you could imagine. I'm sure this has been around a couple of years in Florida. Well guys, thanks for tuning in, and big thanks to my wife for my birthday.